carrying guilt for someone else's choices. This verse will set you free.
وَلَا تَزِرُ وَازِرَةٌ وِزْرَ أُخْرَى.
And no soul bears the burden of another. Sometimes we blame ourselves for things beyond our control, a family member's mistake, a friend's failure, someone else's pain. But Allah reminds us in this powerful verse. No soul bears the burden of another. You are not responsible for someone else's sins, failures, or destiny. You're accountable for your own intentions, your own actions, your own heart. Let go of the weight you were never meant to carry. You can care for others, but you can't save them, that's between them and Allah. Focus on your own path. Protect your peace. Trust that Allah is just with every soul. Comment, I let go for Allah's sake, if this spoke to you. Share this with someone feeling blamed or burdened. Follow for more verses that bring emotional healing.